Hi and welcome to our ISO IEC 17025 2017 training. In this video, we are going to talk about clauses 1.0 to 3.0, the starting point of the standard. You'll learn what ISO IEC 17025 is for, what documents it's based on, and what important words and terms you need to know. These sections help you understand the basics of the standard, so you can follow the rest of the training more easily. So, let's get started with the first step in understanding ISO IEC 17025 2017. ISO IEC 17025 2017. General requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories. History and evolution. 1990, ISO IEC Guide 25 published. 1999, first version of ISO IEC 17025 released. 2005, first revision ISO IEC 17025. 2017, current active version published. Purpose of the standard: ensures competence, impartiality, and consistent operation. Used by accreditation bodies, peer assessment schemes, and organizations to recognize lab competence. Structure of the standard. ISO IEC 17025 2017 has 8 clauses, grouped as follows. 1. Scope. 2. Normative references. 3. Terms and definitions. 4. General requirements. 5. Structural requirements. 6. Resource requirements. 7. Process requirements. 8. Management system requirement. Clause 4. General requirements. Sub-clauses. 4.1 Impartiality. 4.2 Confidentiality. Clause 5, Structural requirements. Clause 6, Resource requirements. Sub-clauses. 6.1 General. 6.2 Personnel. 6.3 Facilities and environmental conditions. 6.4 Equipment. 6.5 Metrological traceability. 6.6 Externally provided products and services. Clause 7, Process requirements sub-clauses. 7.1 Review of requests, tenders, and contracts. 7.2 Selection, verification, and validation of methods. 7.3 Sampling. 7.4 Handling of test or calibration items. 7.5 Technical records. 7.6 Evaluation of measurement uncertainty. 7.7 Assuring the validity of result. 7.8 Reporting of results. 7.9 Complaints. 7.10 Non-conforming work. 7.11 Control of data and information management. Clause 8, Management system requirements. Sub-clauses. 8.1 Options. 8.2 Management system documentation. 8.4 Control of records. 8.5 Actions to address risks and opportunities. 8.7 Corrective actions. 8.9 Management review. Great job! You've just finished learning clauses 1.0 to 3.0 of ISO IEC 17025. In the next video, we'll look at Clause 4, General requirements, including impartiality and confidentiality. Are you ready to optimize your lab operations and mitigate risks? OptiTrail's laboratory benchmarking assurance and evaluation services provide comprehensive solutions tailored to elevate your lab's performance. Our experts will assess your lab infrastructure, implement ISO IEC 17025 standards, and deliver bespoke solutions for maximum productivity and compliance. Assurance solutions include laboratory layout optimization, ISO IEC 17025 implementation, technical competency training, equipment validation, quality engineers training, outsourcing and more. Take your laboratory to the next level with our expert solutions. Send us a request by email or via WhatsApp.